Hi, this is Daryl Peterson with Micromeasurements, and I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to one of our environmental coatings. This particular one happens to be the M-Coat F. And the M-Coat F consists of a sandwich of other materials that you use to create a very tough environmental coating for strain gauges. We start out with a layer of butyl rubber that goes over top of the strain gauge first, and that provides moisture protection for the gauge. We follow that with a layer of neoprene rubber, which adds mechanical protection, and then we add this aluminum foil tape over the top of that. Once you have all that in place, then we go around the edge with a material called M-Coat B, which is a nitrile rubber, and that helps to seal the edge around the foil tape. So you've got the butyl rubber in place for the moisture protection, the neoprene rubber goes over the top for mechanical, the aluminum foil tape gives it some stability and also prevents moisture from going through it. It has to go around, and then you seal the edge of that tape using the M-Coat B. Very tough combination of coatings. One of the big advantages to using M-Coat F is that it's great for outdoor applications, whether you're on a bridge, a tower, any kind of structure that's going to be outside, this would be a candidate. And also if it's cold. One of the great things about M-Coat F is that you don't have to wait for compounds to cure. The butyl rubber, the neoprene rubber, the foil tape, all of that is essentially fully cured once it's in place. So I would say 95% of your protection's in place soon as you get those sheets down and you get the foil tape down. The only thing you have to wait on to cure is that M-Coat B. If you'd like to find out more about M-Coat F or any of our environmental coatings, take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com. Thank you.